design and engineering follows its own fashion trends. And we saw that several years ago in the industry with the introduction of what we often call Scandinavian design with the axe bow or the plumb bow. But with Brunswick being an international leader in the marine industry, they saw this trend and made it American designed and engineered with the NAVAN. And now this boat was originally built in Europe, is now being built here in the US as well. So it's Scandinavian flair, born and raised and made in the US of A. So we'd like to show you more about this patented bottom design that Brunswick did, and also how the lifestyle of the interior of the boat lays out. Let's go. Now here on the aft deck, you see some of the comfort aspects of this boat with your forward-facing couch. You've got different power options. Now we have twin 300s here. You can have a single 400 or twin 225s. So it depends on how you want to use your boat, and that's what Brunswick took into consideration in the design of the entire upper deck of this boat. You see you've got water sports accommodated here with a tow bar. You've got a swim platform, gator step here so you can use the boat for dropping a line or cruising for the day. You've got all your flexibility built into the NAVAN. Now when you talk about flexibility, being able to take your forward-facing seat into an aft-facing lounger and have a summer kitchen, that's great design. Now the helm design here is a little bit different because we're used to seeing the helm oftentimes at starboard, but that's where your air conditioning unit is located for the cabin. So they switched the positioning. So here to port, it's just a little bit of getting used to, but it's a very attractively designed, very comfortable. And interesting also that they chose to use 3 lithium batteries to power this air conditioning, so you get the peace and quiet of enjoying an air-conditioned cabin, and those are located here while your house battery is located aft. Now, while I would still consider this mostly a day boat, the cabin definitely gives you some overnight and weekend capabilities, because you've got a full wet head, you've got a big berth, and it's air conditioned again, and because of the bow design, it gives you a lot of space down there. And there's also a skylight from the sun pad in the bow to give you more natural light below. This is a comfortable walkway up here to the bow where you have articulating backrests on the sun pad, and this is the cushion that comes out to give you light down in the cabin. Now this is the S30, the sport model. There's also a C30, which is the cabin model. It has an enclosed pilot house, and it's more like an SUV. You can put your paddle boards and things on the roof. So you have 2 different options with the NAVAN 30, and there will be more options coming ahead.